I would give my summer tour of our home before, you know, it's too late, because this is the 1st of July. And so I thought I would show you around, and most of the stuff is from Goodwill, but I'll give you a tour of what we did with our home for this summer. Okay, I'm hoping everything shows up because it is getting late. But this is our foyer, where you enter, and here's the foyer table. And I'm not pointing everything out, but I am going to tell you 85% of the stuff came from Goodwill. I just collected over probably the last 9 months or so, including the pictures. I thought they were really pretty, and the vases, and even the flowers. So I'm going to try to go slow. This is a tight kind of an area, so it is hard. There's a vaulted ceiling up there, and another little picture from the Goodwill. My little curio cabinets Ed made, and then all of my, well, a lot of my willow tree figurines are in there, all of those. And I just put a couple on top with the little shells in here. And I think that's Andy. He's gonna follow me around. All of those flowers came from the Goodwill. I just set them in my jar. Ed made that little table stand and basket. Even those pillows came from Goodwill. There's 2 of them in there. And my ladder. I was gonna do some more on here, but I am just running out of time. This is a picture, let me see if I can get it, that we took when we were over at Morro Bay, but the frame is from Goodwill. Oh, it's gonna be hard to get these. There you go. This is our living area. I don't do much pillows because Andy, and we have a new little fur baby puppy. His name's Opie. They just get up here. I just put some shells up here. I've had these. I brought them out. And then over here, the little fish from the dollar store, and I've had this little candle seashell. And this picture is another one from Goodwill. I did brush over the frames with just some little bottles of apple barrel paint. Let me give you a swoop around. There's the foyer, my buffet. Not much going on here. Just my little basket with a seashell. And Ed made this some years back, and we always switch it up, but I just stuck almost everything is from Goodwill that's in there except the beads. I found that little seal. That's what's in there. Just some greenery. And then we have this little dining area, so when we have extra company, we sit all in here. We sit in the dining area wherever we can fit them. But I didn't do too much in here. These flowers are from my yard. These are real pretty. My daughter got me that, and the picture to match, and a few things for Mother's Day. And then here's another little cabinet. And this also was from the dollar store. I just spray painted it dark blue. All of the books are from thrift stores. There's a picture of Ed and I at Morro Bay. And then this big seashell I've had for years. It even came from Goodwill. And all of that stuff up there. These pictures, I had bought these seashells while we were over at the coast, and I put them down in the sand and just took pictures of them. And those frames are also from the Goodwill. You're probably going to get tired of me saying the Goodwill, but that's where most all of my stuff is from, so I can change it out and not think about all the money. This frame is from the Goodwill. I did buy this download picture off of Etsy, and it was only a couple bucks. I thought it was a really pretty painting. Even these vases, most of the greenery and everything, these all from Goodwill. They're cute, and it's cheap. Even the houses I've had for years, but they came from there too. There's the matching one, and there's the other vase. And this also came from Goodwill. I find these things over time. Even that came from there. But let me, I hope see things well. This beautiful picture, it also came from there. I did kind of put over a creamy white paint over the frame because it was kind of dirty, but this picture at Wayfair is like $129, and I found it there, and I paid $6.99. Isn't it pretty? It's really pretty. It's textured too, but it's a very pretty picture. And just not much going on there because I always set my computer there. There's Andy. That's our newest one. That's little Opie. But that's what this looks like. I'll go in here. This is the kitchen. I just have more from the dollar store. This came from Goodwill. It was just a little lighthouse. I just stained it. Even this vase, but my spider plant, I had it outside. It was too hot. Brought it in. That shade is from Goodwill, but I've had that chicken lamp or rooster, I should say, for years. These all came. This is cute. This is most recent. I just thought it was cute. A cow relaxing in a chair. It was like 99 cents for that little canvas. And then my shelves up here, we just kind of have a few of this and that. I did find that also at the Goodwill. Most of this stuff, that little plate. There's the pretty picture my daughter got me. And then there's a big shell. That's all that's going on up there. I just put a few shells up here, and then I made this little curtain with my sublimation I'm learning how to do. That's kind of all that's going on in here. I did throw this towel in there, but that's about it. And then over here, this is, I kind of left all of this up here alone. I didn't really have too much more stuff, but I did these cute little sailboats. They also came from the Goodwill. I think they are a Target item. They were $2.50 each. So I went ahead, there were two of them, and I went ahead and bought both. I'm not sure what I would do with it. I think I'm gonna they'd be cute just to put my jewelry in, but they're in here for right now. Even these shells, I found 2 of these. Both of them were 99 cents for the 2 from there, and these are just some napkins I got at the dollar store. Here's my table. Very simple. More of the dollar store. The vase came from the Goodwill. So did the flowers and the little fish. This is from a yard sale. I don't want to keep saying Goodwill, but I am telling you, that even came, this cute candle. I've had it for a few years. And then there's my coffee bar. Didn't do too much. I did pick that up at the dollar store. These cute little cups my daughter gave me. Spider plant, struggling to make it. That's what that looks like. I just have my big plant over there. Extra chair. I did put a little seashell up here, but that's all I did. Here's what it looks like. Okay, we go in the hallway, bathroom. This house is 1,700 square feet. It's not real big. I know it's not the tiniest, but I've had this stuff for years. This is all I did to the little cabinet in the hallway. And this is the main bathroom. This, and this, and this, and this all came from the Goodwill. These pictures, I don't know if I still have it. Sometimes I leave the price on, but I think they were $1.79 each. I thought they were cute. And then the little seahorse. I did spray paint him white and this little fish white. These little dishes came from the Goodwill also. I thought they'd be cute sitting in here with a candle in them. And then back here, just a few little things. This was my mom's. Not too much going on. This is the master bedroom. Didn't do a whole lot. My sister-in-law made that, gave it to me quite a while ago. And then these are basically, hung my summer bag there, made a few years back. And then I did buy a lighter weight bedspread instead of the comforter because it was just too hot. And I did make those pillows with my sublimation printer. That's probably about it. These 2 little pillows came from Goodwill. That's about it. And I did put a picture of Ed and I up here. It's when we were at Morro Bay. And this is just a dressing area. There's a little half bath over there. I didn't really do anything in there. This is, working on this, is like a guest bedroom. Not done, just a few little things in there, but I didn't do anything. This is where my craft room used to be out in the sunroom. I've moved it all in here, and I'm still working on stuff in here, so nothing really in there. Okay, that's about it. There's Ed over there. Probably waiting for some popcorn or something. So that should do it. Well, that's what our home will be looking like all the way probably till around the end of August to the first part of September. Then we'll start switching up to fall. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you could see that you can do your home on a budget. Now I do start early. I kind of shop all through the year when I see stuff or think about ahead what I'm going to be doing, you know, for the seasons. I'm already picking up stuff for fall and for Christmas when I run across 2 items there. I do go about once a week or once every other week. But anyway, that'll do it. This is Debbie and Ed with I'd Rather Be Camping. I hope we gave you some good ideas, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.